Hello, I'm Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 84 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is the Cactus Flower Sour. This is a cocktail that is tart, vibrant, and perfect for these late summer evenings. We'll be anchoring our cocktail tonight with the Heaven Hill 7-year Bottled-in-Bond Bourbon. This sits at a lovely 100 proof, has some rich oak notes, warm baking spices, and some terrific caramel sweetness. We will use 1 3/4 ounce of the Heaven Hill Bottled-in-Bond. Now, if you were with us last week, we tried out the Thornbush Prickly Pear Whiskey, and we will be using it again this week because it's just so fantastic. What I love about this whiskey is it's not overly sweet, but it does bring this front and center note of the prickly pear and this earthy melon that really balances out what we're going to do with the cocktail. So for this, we will use a 1/2 ounce of the Thornbush Prickly Pear Whiskey. To match our prickly pear whiskey tonight, we have prickly pear syrup. And I've used this one for a while and it seemed like a really fun option. We will use 3/4 ounce of the prickly pear syrup. And to match that identically, to bring us this perfect balance, I have fresh squeezed, very tart lemons, and we will use 3/4 ounce of that. And I did double strain it before putting it into my pouring container. So match that. Excellent. We're also going to use fee foam. I really like when I do a whiskey sour to use fee foam. It brings this lovely silkiness, a little bit of froth, and I don't have to mess with an egg white. So it's pretty easy. I will use 3 dashes of the fee foam. So now we're going to add ice and shake vigorously for about 12 to 15 seconds. Good. I do have a nice rocks glass here with a ball of ice. You can use regular ice cubes here, but I like the slow melting nature of a ball of ice. We will pour this cocktail right over there. See that really fun prickly pear color coming through? I think it's just lovely. Now we have Peychaud bitters. This is going to give us a little hint of color, plus bring forward some nice little anise flavoring and aromas that will make this just perfect. Just 1 dash on the top of the ice. And finally, we will finish off with a dehydrated lemon wheel right on the side of the glass there. The aroma is fantastic. That prickly pear is coming forward almost in a candied kind of nature, but not too sweet. Of course, that bright lemon juice, the zestiness from that is there as well. And of course, the Peychaud bitters. I'm getting a little hint of the licorice there. Well, cheers to summertime and the Cactus Flower Sour. That is a great summertime drink. I don't know about you, but I really enjoy a whiskey sour in the summertime. Seems to cool things off, but still keep you in that spirit-forward nature. Now, what I got right away on the palate, tartness coming forward from that very tart lemon juice. But then that cactus fruit is hitting right away. And it's reminding me of melon and these floral notes that's bringing this vibrance that is just really lovely to lift up the tartness of that lemon. Working its way through also is our bourbon. It's reminding us that it's there with these lovely sweet caramel notes to balance out the tart, giving us the sweet piece of it. Really nice. And also a little bit of that Peychaud bitter coming forward as well. I love it. Now the finish, super simple finish, which is just what you want in the summertime. It lingers in a lovely manner. It's got a little bit of tartness, a little bit of sweetness, telling you it's got this perfect balance. And then it finishes off with this really light floral note that's coming from the prickly pear. I think it's very fun. Join us next week for episode 85 and the Botanical Velvet, which is a black Manhattan. I'm going to pull out the Knob Creek bourbon and pair that with a lovely Amaro. This will be fantastic. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a lovely, luscious, thirsty Thursday, and please shake up the Cactus Flower Sour and enjoy it one of these evenings. Cheers.